In recent years, blockchain technology has emerged as a transformative force across various industries, and real estate is no exception. Originally developed as the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain has evolved to offer innovative solutions that address long-standing challenges in the real estate sector. From streamlining property transactions to enhancing transparency and security, blockchain holds immense potential for real estate entrepreneurs looking to revolutionize the way properties are bought, sold, and managed. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger technology that enables secure and transparent record-keeping of transactions. Unlike traditional centralized databases where information is stored in a single location controlled by a central authority, blockchain operates on a network of interconnected computers, nodes. One of the key features of blockchain is its immutability, meaning that once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or tampered with. This inherent security feature makes blockchain an ideal solution for industries like real estate, where trust and transparency are paramount. One of the most significant implications of blockchain technology for real estate entrepreneurs is its ability to streamline property transactions. This can result in high transaction costs, lengthy delays, and increased risk of fraud or errors. This not only reduces the need for intermediaries, but also eliminates the potential for human error and fraud, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. Another significant benefit of blockchain technology for real estate entrepreneurs is its ability to enhance transparency and security in property transactions. By recording all transactions on a tamper-proof and immutable ledger, blockchain provides a transparent and auditable record of ownership, title transfers, and property history. Moreover, blockchain's cryptographic algorithms ensure that data stored on the blockchain is secure and tamper-proof, protecting sensitive information such as property titles, contracts, and financial records from unauthorized access or manipulation. In addition to streamlining transactions and enhancing security, blockchain technology has the potential to unlock liquidity and accessibility in the real estate market. Moreover, by digitizing real estate assets, blockchain enables investors to access global markets and diversify their portfolios without the traditional constraints of geographic location or capital requirements. While blockchain technology offers numerous benefits for real estate entrepreneurs, it is not without its challenges and considerations. One of the primary challenges is regulatory compliance, as the legal framework surrounding blockchain and cryptocurrencies varies significantly from one jurisdiction to another. The scalability and interoperability of blockchain technology remain key areas of concern, particularly as the adoption of blockchain in real estate continues to grow. As blockchain networks become more congested and fragmented, real estate entrepreneurs must consider the scalability and compatibility of blockchain solutions to ensure seamless integration with existing systems and processes. Despite these challenges, the evolution of blockchain technology holds immense promise for real estate entrepreneurs seeking to innovate and disrupt traditional business models. From streamlining transactions and enhancing transparency to unlocking liquidity and accessibility, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize the way properties are bought, sold, and managed. By embracing blockchain technology and leveraging its transformative potential, real estate entrepreneurs can drive innovation, create value, and reshape the future of the real estate industry for years to come.